Now we're going to add a video to our binder. Here we have an empty subtab, and in here we're going to enter a video from YouTube. What we need to do is to click on the content option at the top of the screen, and we're going to select the option videos. At the bottom you will have a search button. You enter the topic or the target word to find the video, and then you will have the options to choose which video you want to add. We're gonna add the first on this tab, and it will immediately pop up here on your binder.